In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GCash in South Korea. If you're a Filipino traveling or living in South Korea and you already have a GCash account registered in the Philippines, you can still use it abroad with a few important reminders. Think of this as making the most of what works, while understanding a few limitations along the way. Before you leave the Philippines, make sure your GCash account is fully verified. This means your identity is confirmed in the app, so you can access the full range of features when you're overseas. It's also a good idea to update the app to the latest version and double-check that your Philippine SIM or registered mobile number will stay active. You'll often need that number for one-time passwords, so keep the SIM in a phone that has data or roaming, or connected to reliable Wi-Fi when you need to log in. Once you're in South Korea, open the GCash app as you normally would. As long as your registered number can receive verification codes and you have internet access, you'll be able to get in. From there, most of the essential features for Philippine-based transactions will continue to work. You can check your balance, send money to family and friends back home, pay Philippine bills, and receive remittances straight to your wallet. This makes it convenient to manage obligations in the Philippines without needing a local bank account there. For cashing in while abroad, look for international remittance partners that support sending directly to GCash. This is typically the smoothest way to top up your wallet from outside the country. Be mindful of fees and exchange rates. Doing a small test transfer first can help you confirm that everything is working as expected before sending larger amounts. Now, a quick heads up on limitations. GCash is primarily designed for use within the Philippines, so QR payments and certain local services in South Korea may not work. Don't rely on GCash to pay at Korean merchants. Instead, think of it as your bridge to Philippine transactions while you're overseas. Security is crucial wherever you are. Keep your MPIN private, never share your one-time passwords, and only log in on trusted devices. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive actions when possible, and make sure your SIM stays active so you can always receive verification codes. If anything looks suspicious in the app, change your MPIN immediately and contact official support through the app. That's it. With your account verified, your number active, and internet access, GCash can remain a reliable tool for managing your Philippine finances while you're in South Korea.